This is only going to be a quick one, but something you definitely need to try. In this video, we're going to be making steak shooter spicy smoked cashews. So we'll get started by setting our smoker up. So we'll open the lid and take the cooking grate off. Then we're going to remove our heat deflector. And it's not going to be a very long cook, so we only need to put around half a chimney worth of briquettes or charcoal in there. And then we can bury a fire lighter in there and light it up. And now we've got about 10 minutes before our briquettes are going to be ready. So we'll use that time to prepare our cashews, and this is super easy. I've just got a foil tray here, and I've got 2 cups of raw cashews. That's around 250 grams. I'm simply just going to pour them into the foil tray. And then for a hint of sweetness, and just so our rub sticks to the cashews, I'm just going to give them a light coat in Hook Shot. I'll probably use around a tablespoon worth here. And you could use any of your favorite sauces to coat over the cashews, or you could use some maple syrup, or if you didn't want the binder to add any extra flavor, you can just use a little bit of olive oil. We're just going to give these a good mix until all those cashews are coated. And then again, you can use your favorite barbecue seasoning, but I'm just going to use some of our steak shooter spicy. So we'll give them a good coat and mix them around again, and then we'll spread them out in the tray so all the cashews get an even amount of smoke. I might even just give them a final dusting of our steak shooter spicy. Now these are good to go once our smoke is ready. And after about 10 minutes, our briquettes are burning nicely. So we'll shut our lid, open up both of our vents, and we'll let our barbecue come up to temperature, which for this cook is going to be around 225 Fahrenheit or 107 Celsius. So we are pretty much at temperature now, and I'm ready to get some smoking wood on. I've gone with a beautiful little chunk of bourbon barrel oak. Now keep in mind that is a small fire. There's not many cashews there, so a small chunk like that is absolutely perfect. So let's get these cashews on. So let's open our lid and we'll get our little chunk of smoking wood straight on the fire, and then we can get our heat deflector back in, followed by our cooking grate and then our cashews. And then we'll shut our lid and let them start smoking away. All right, so now our cashews are on. I can smell that beautiful bourbon barrel oak already. We're just going to let them go for around 45 to 60 minutes at that 225 Fahrenheit or 107 Celsius. And if you don't have a smoker or a way to make your gas barbecue into a smoker like using a smoke box, you can simply just do this method, do them in your oven, and just make some roasted cashews as well. And if you're not a fan of cashews, or you want to use one of your other favorite nuts or even some mixed nuts, absolutely go for it. This is perfect for things like hazelnuts, almonds, peanuts, and so much more. But for now, like I said, we're going to let these go for around 45 to 60 minutes, so we'll come back once these are ready. And after about an hour, these are done. They smell amazing. So let's get them out, and we'll get them onto our bench where we'll let them cool down for 5 minutes before we eat them. And seriously, these are so addictive. Well, there you have it, steak shooter spicy smoked cashews. Definitely give them a shot. If you do, let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you've subscribed to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. But for now, that's the end of the video, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.